Many couples don't know how easy it is to drift apart, whether emotionally or physically. It's so easy before you know it, the distance is there. Not because the love is lost, no, not because they stop loving their partner, but because life happens, life comes in the way with a lot of stress, kids, work, school, daily routine, quarrels and misunderstandings, And all this happen quickly, and before you know it, it quietly kills intimacy. Yes, quietly, it kills the intimacy that they have for each other. Before you know it, they're miles apart without even knowing. A lot of couples this day have been boxed into this corner of having to live with their partner or their wives just as roommates. Like, all they share together is just roommates, unfortunately. But the good news is that you can bring back the spark, the love, you can bring it back, okay? It might not be easy, I remember, it's not about sex. No, relationship, this is not about sex, it's about the connection, that presence, and the emotional safety that you feel when you're around your partner. In this video, we're going to be analyzing, talking about why couples stop intimacy and how to reignite that passion. Yes. So the reasons that cause couples stopping the intimacy, we're going to talk about it here. And of course, at the same time, we'll talk about how to ignite that passion that was once there, that desire for your partner. We're going to be talking about it. We're going to be talking about those challenges that come in the way, the stress, the school, the kids, finance, bills, expense, societal pressure, even family pressures. We're going to be talking about everything. If today's your first time seeing my face, my name is Michael. This is my channel. If you're here to subscribe or follow me, do subscribe, okay? Give me the thumbs up. Remember, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to receive my videos as soon as I release them. Cheers. So, let's talk about 5 ways. We're going to be talking about 5 powerful reasons, okay? A couple tend to lose their intimacy. And we'll also talk about the ways to reignite this passion, okay? Come with me on this journey. My number 1 reason is emotional disconnection. This is so rampant. Emotional disconnection. People go into a relationship, a couple go into a relationship because they love each other or because of what they feel for each other, okay? But after some time, due to the forces of nature, when I say forces, I mean the forces of this life, those distractions, you'll notice that each person becomes too busy for the other. All the forces and the pressures, societal pressures that come with it. So before you drift apart, emotionally, you have lost touch with your partner without even knowing it. Yes. Communication fades. That's number 1 thing that suffers. Probably before you talk to your partner every day. Before you know it, every day turns to twice a week. Before you know it, it's once a week. Before you know, you call your partner once a month, especially when you guys are not living together. Maybe because of the job, you have to live in different cities or different countries or continents. So before you know, you are like having an emotional, long distance relationship with your partner, even if you're in the same city. So these things happen, and you drift apart. You start checking up on each other. You stop doing that, and your partner at the other side is like, he's no longer calling me. You are like, she no longer checks on me. Do that. Is there somebody else? There might actually not be anybody else. It might just be life happening to both of you. But of course, you guys have to be intentional to make it work. So you have to, those worries, they feel when you don't see your partner or you're able to discuss with your partner. You have to find solutions to it. You have to start re-engaging. Yeah, you re-engage with your partner. Those small talks you used to have, small talk, the chats, the FaceTime calls. You have to show curiosity about your partner. You have to show concern, show that you care. Ask them about how was work today. Ask them about any program you are doing. Ask them about their daily life, their daily routine. Show them that you care. Just do that. Pick up your phone now if you've not been doing it. Call your partner and check up on them. Send them messages. Become active again with them. So these are ways to reignite it. I'm telling you now the ways to reignite it. Small talks, chats, FaceTime calls. Check on them. Pay them surprise visits when they least. Call them when they least expect that you even call them. Do all this stuff. Before you know it, you start to reignite that passion. Before you know it, that emotional connection begins to come back. You have to be deliberate. You have to be very intentional about this. You have to be intentional about this, okay? So that you don't lose your partner. That's number one reason. Number two reason, routine. We're talking about routine and predictability. When you are doing the same thing over and over again, you are not spicing it up. Before you know, it become predictable and become lackluster. When you know, it becomes, the lady tends to get discouraged when she notices you are doing the same thing the same way over and over again. Who is that man that they say when he does the same thing over and over again and expects a different result? What do they call that man again? You know it. You are doing the same thing over and over again and you're expecting a different, of course you're not going to get a different result. You're going to get the same result. So avoid using the same routine and being predictable. Ladies don't like men being predictable. They like their men coming with surprises. If she shouldn't be able to predict you, that when it goes from here to here, then it's here. That's all. No, don't be predictable. Spice it up, okay? Take her out. Surprise her. Take her to places that you guys have never been before. Pay her surprise visits. Maybe visit her in her office. Basic stuff. Take her to places that she has always told you she likes, but you could plan a trip. If you plan a trip, if all of a sudden you just give her a ticket, okay, you plan your leave, then give her a ticket. We are going to Dubai. We're going to spend a weekend. We are going to the safari. Just take them somewhere that your woman, your lady should not be able to predict you in a relationship. You must be unpredictable. Surprise them. Spice it up. Or is it in terms of intimacy? Come on, stop doing the same thing. If you don't know what to do, you need to go and get some experience out there. Watch videos if you need to. Spice it up. Do things differently. Don't keep doing the same style over and over, the same missionary act. No, spice it up. Give them surprise. Do those things in different places that she's not used to. Doesn't have to be in the bedroom. The kitchen is there. There are places at the beach. Some quickies in these expected places. Just surprise her. Do something different. That's it. So don't be predictable. Ladies don't like predictability in a man. It shouldn't be predictable because she gets tired and she wants variety at times too. Yeah, men love variety. The same way the ladies would like to see something different. Okay? It's not about having the two. A lot of people say, I have the two, I have the two. Can you use the two? So you must be able to use the two effectively, not just by having it. Okay? It's not by having it. Be able to use it. So that's number two. So to ignite your passion, of course, I've said all these things. Change your style. Take her out, surprise her, different places, spend the weekend away. Change your styles, the position you use, change it. You have to create a mood. Take her to a different setting for intimacy. She don't be used to going to the same place every year. If you are used to traveling to the same place every year, go to a different place. Give her something new. I'm telling you, and what she will also give you back in return, you tell the story. That's number two. Number three, stress and life pressures. They happen. Bills, kids, childcare, these things are big time pressures. Trying to meet up with deadlines in the office, at work. These things are things that, can cause a distraction. I have a friend, he tells me that once he starts thinking of the bills he has to pay, if his body doesn't respond, no matter what the lady does, he doesn't respond once the bills comes to his head. If he remembers what he needs to do with that, just imagine that. So this thing should not get to you to that extent of you not being able to, have good intimacy with your partner. No. Your mind should not be preoccupied. So honestly, in fairness to the guy, when you have a preoccupied mind, a mind that is thinking about bills, school fees, other in the village, siblings to take care of, when you start thinking about A whole lot of that. Before you know it, definitely affects your ability to be intimate with your partner. This shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. You have to make it work. You have to make your relationship work. Reduce stress from your life. Take time out. Okay, take time out. Go to a new place. Go to a quiet place, a serene place, a place where you can think, meditate. Yeah, that's it. So you have to take time, just for two of you. Take her to different places. Away from the stress of life. See, if you allow the stress to continue to get to you, you will just die early death. The stress will not stop. It can't stop. So you must not be predictable. Don't allow the pressure of life get to you. If pressures get to you and you're unable to perform as a man, then of what use is having the tool where you can use it? You must be able to meet up with your partner, meet up with their needs, satisfy them. You should be able to do that as a man. Okay? Remember, when you are with your partner, when you are with them, be with them. When you're in the room, be in the room. You can't be in the room and be thinking about the affairs of the office. No. Keep things that concern the office, keep them in the office. When you're in the room, stay in the room. When you are with her, stay with her. When you're kissing her, kiss her passionately. You can't be with her and be calling somebody else. No, it's not right. You shouldn't do that. You can't be with Jocelyn and be calling the Caroline. It's not right. So if you are with Jocelyn, you must say Jocelyn. You can't say Carol. Oh, sorry. Ladies don't like already. She's pissed off. She's turned off. There's nothing you can do. She will refuse you. So remember, your presence is more powerful than perfection. Don't try to perfect your relationship. Just be present. Be present for her. Take her out. Be available. Let her see you. Talk to her. Okay? So stress and life pressure should not get you. That's number 3. So my number 4 point: unresolved conflicts. Do you have conflict with your partner that you're here to resolve? Resolve them. Get them sorted out. Get them out of the way. Conflicts should not be an issue in your relationship. Women don't like it. These silent conflicts that are left unresolved, they cripple in and they go deep. They become a virus in your relationship. And they start to eat up your relationship from the roots. From the roots. Don't allow that. Try to resolve every conflict that you have. No matter how small, don't leave them unattended. Attend to them. If you leave your door unattended, you see that strangers come into it anyhow. Don't leave your door unattended. Don't leave conflicts. If you leave your partner, like especially men, you leave your wife desolate, or you leave your girlfriend, or you leave her, that's resolving conflict. Before you know it, do you think you are the only person toasting her, your partner? Do you think you are the only one asking them out? There's always one man at the corner waiting for you to make a mistake. So if you make a mistake, be sure your replacement is already on a DM now. So guys, don't take your lady for granted. Resolve all the conflicts you have with them. Don't give an opportunity. They say if there are no holes in the wall, the lizard cannot go into it. Don't create lacuna. Don't create, they say there's no vacuum in life. There's always something to fill it up. If you quarrel with her and let me leave her for 2 weeks so she will learn her lesson, within that 2 weeks, you know all the things that could have happened. But you are not the only person, man. She's always going out. She meets people too. She's human, or he's human. You don't take your guys for granted too. Come on. Don't take us for granted. Treat your guy well. Don't say, after all, I know he loves me. Yeah, he loves you, but doesn't mean he can't cheat on you. So don't create a gap for the man that loves you to start cheating. Okay? So resolve all the conflicts. That's number 4. Number 5. Remember, neglecting physical affection is at your peril. It's at your risk. So number 5 is when you neglect physical affection. Intimacy is a requirement in a relationship. If you are married, for instance, you should be intimate to your wife. You owe it to her. It's an obligation. It is our right to ask for it, to demand for it. It is his right to come for it. And when he comes for it, you should make yourself available. Even the good book supports, the Bible, Islam to support saying, you must be available for your partner. Ask here. Must be available for your partner. There's no excuse. You cannot say, except of course if it's your time of the month. And if it's your time of the month as a lady, you should tell your partner. This is especially for married people. This advice. Okay? Don't say no. They need affection. Men and women both they need to be intimate. Okay? Always remind, especially men, let your wife partner know that I still want you, I love you. Tell them constantly. Don't let another man outside be telling your wife or your partner things that you should be doing. Come on. Be the man. Okay? So those small talks, take them out. Hold their hands. Do PDA. Yeah, Holy Spirit of affection. Kiss them outside. Compliment them. Tell your wife how beautiful she is. Cuddle her. Yeah, yes. Cuddle her. Kiss her. Make love to her if you need to. So these are things that you need to do. They are an important part of your relationship. Don't take it for granted. Okay, in closing, because this video is not meant to be long. When intimacy fades, remember, it's not a sign that your love is gone. No. It simply means that your love needs attention. So give your love the attention that it requires. Yes. Every couple that goes this, there are seasons for it, just like football season. There are seasons when there's a downtime, when you guys, tend to have quarrels. It's normal. But you must get them resolved quickly. Don't take it for granted. Your wife or your partner deserves attention and respect. Give it to them. Your husband deserves respect and attention. Give it to him. Okay? So let's make sure you work together with your partner so that you both maintain, of course, that physical connection, emotional. Don't forget that. And also spiritual connection. Before you know it, the two of you are back in your honeymoon stage, even after 10, 15, 20 years of marriage, of relationship. Today is the first time seeing my face. My name is Michael. This is my channel. If you're here to subscribe and follow me. I talk about relationships, marriage, lifestyle. I'll give you tips on dating tips on how to overcome challenges that you face in your relationship. So do so. If you're here to subscribe to this, subscribe. Thank you for watching me so far. I appreciate you. You are the star. Thank you so much. See you on my next one. Cheers. Thank you.